what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm keeping it a little bit down because my kids are sleeping. I wanted to give you guys like a really natural makeup look, you guys, people on Instagram, because the reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because on my Facebook Live, a lot of people were asking me for a natural or natural kind of look for YouTube that they can watch. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today, you guys. I do have all of my makeup in here. It's gonna be affordable. Some stuff is affordable just because this is the look that I want to go for, you guys. But let's go ahead and start with them brows, okay? For brows, we are gonna be going in with the Morphe micro wait, what is this called? 1 second. Yeah, so this is the Morphe micro brow pencil. It comes with the product on one side, which is the pencil, and then the spoolie on the other end. I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing up my brows, you guys. I will underline my brows at the bottom just because I really like that sharpness. And then go on the top and just outline the top area. Go in the front and really just draw that line, okay, you guys? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and brush all of this up. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw some brow strokes up here in the front. Now what we're gonna do for brows, to clean them up, I'm gonna go in and use my Alpha 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This one is in the shade Medium Sand. Okay, now for the pores, we're gonna go in and use the Professional, you guys. This is the Hydrating Professional. And we're gonna go ahead and use that much. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just tap this all along. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just press this in to the skin, okay? Just like that. So for cream contour, we're not gonna really get like a chisel, but we kind of do want a little bit of a sculpting kind of thing going on, but not too much. So I'm gonna go in with the Lore'l Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this one is in the shade, let me see, S400, okay, you guys? And I'm just gonna go ahead and use this really on the perimeter of my forehead and really just go down like that, okay? So perimeter of the forehead, we're gonna go down like that, okay? That's it. Just like that. And this is just to really warm up the skin, you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use like a foundation brush and just buff this in to like the hairline area. And you guys, it's just gonna give you like a warmth that we need. And I'm not really gonna do it like really heavily, and what I mean by that, I'm not gonna really sculpt. That's what I'm just trying to, I think that's what, I'm not gonna sculpt with this. I'm just gonna really just blend this onto the skin. We're gonna go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in the shade 300, and you guys, I'm gonna put 1 and 2 pumps on the back of my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit real quick while we go ahead and use our e.l.f. Camo Concealer, because I want this to have time to really set in and get thicker. And this will allow everything to get like that, okay? And you guys, this is not a natural look, it's a snatchural look, okay? Before you guys come for me in the comments, okay, this is just something snatchural, something a little minimizing, you know? And so let's go ahead and take the foundation. We're gonna go ahead and apply that all over the cheeks mainly. Yes. And I'm using those two pumps all over the face to just really get that going. And out. Go ahead and go down the ridge of the nose. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and blend out that cream contour. Okay, so you guys, now that we have that cream contour on the nose, we're gonna go ahead and drag that up here. Okay, drag it. Don't worry, okay, you guys. So what you do is you just grab that blending brush, go down the nose. To set everything, we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild banana powder, you guys. So let's just go ahead and let's go ahead and just set this mug. And we're just gonna use this all over the face, you guys, to really set the skin. I just really want to set everything that we did. You guys, I just want to do something really quick. I want to take this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is the shade G Money. Just need to take like a neutral kind of color brown, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and follow the crease of the eye, just like, actually no, I want to take this all over the eye actually. So let's go ahead and just lightly pat this all over and go ahead and blend it up. That's all you need, and all you guys really need is like a really simple brush. That's it. You guys don't need nothing fancy. What I'm gonna do, guys, just to add like a little oomph on this, is we're just gonna go ahead and grab this bone white shade, and we're just gonna pop that onto the lid, like just right here. Just go like this. See, that's all you need. So we're just gonna take that same white shade. This one is called Certify. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that into the inner corner as well, to really just brighten up and open up our eyes, just to like bring a little bit color back in. We'll go back in with that G Money shade, which is this one right here, this brown. Same shade that we put on the upper lid, and just put that onto the lower lash line. That's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this blush, you guys. This is the Bellissimo blush from Milani, and just put that on the apples of my cheeks. This inglot liner in 05. Okay, so you guys, for lashes, we're gonna go in with the Fuckboy lashes from Baddie. You guys, these are natural for me because I normally use these bad boys. So these are my favorites right here from Go to the Buena Lashes, and they are humongous, you guys. So these are my everyday. So these lashes are kind of like really simple for me. Alright guys, so this is with the lash on. It's super pretty, but you guys, let me just show you because I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, that's not natural. These are my lashes that I normally wear. And look at these. Oh my god, but look at, I'm loving these ones with this kind of look. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Let me go ahead and put the other lash on. Lips, you guys, so we're not going in with any highlight today. We're just gonna go ahead and do the lips. So this is the lip shade from Morphe, and this one is in the shade Guide Me. I'm just gonna go ahead and color the outsides of my lip. Just like that. Just like that. And just to go ahead and set, we'll just go ahead and use the Bretman Rock setting spray. Whoops. This natural, not natural, this natural makeup look, you guys. Because we're bored in the house, bored. We're bored in the house, bored. So we must play with makeup. You guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys loved this video. Please make sure that you guys do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell.